Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's have a look at the Nairobi city. Nairobi is the capital and largest city in Kenya. The city was founded in 1899 by the colonial authorities of the British East Africa. The town grew quickly and in just 8 years, in 1907, replaced Mombasa to be the capital. Nairobi became the capital of Kenya even after independence in 1963. Nairobi is located in South Central region, and its metropolitan area is a home for about 5 million people. The city continues developing very fast, even compared to many other rising and fast developing cities in the continent. There are over 1,000 international companies and organizations in the city, like for example the United Nations Environment Programme and the United Nations Office at Nairobi. Nairobi is an established hub for business and culture. Oh, the city in the sun and a place of cool waters. Nairobi also holds several multi-billion-dollar projects like the Nairobi Expressway and the SGR train. The SGR train connects Nairobi with the port city of Mombasa and will extend eastern to Kisumu and farther to Uganda. This project is transport of goods and carriage of people. Another infrastructural mega project in Nairobi is the Express Highway. This project is almost finished. It only remains to plant flowers and make it more beautiful. There is literally everything in the city. Do you want to see downtown of Nairobi? The downtown is a busier part where people have a lot of businesses running. Do you want to taste Nairobi's street food? Here is Kenya's famous street food known as the smoky. Do you want to rumble through markets? This market offers many art pieces, cultural things, and crafted souvenirs. Do you want to see Nairobi on weekends? This is how the city looks like on weekends, especially on Sundays. People cover up all the streets of Nairobi, enjoying dancing, making photographs, creating content, and much other. Napenda Nairobi. I love Nairobi. Enjoy the video and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.